Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be talking about Polkadot, its whole ecosystem, and potentially some massive moves that are coming because of some catalyst news, and also just DeFi in general is growing. So if you are interested in any of those topics or any cryptocurrencies, altcoins, bitcoins, make sure that you like and subscribe to the channel. I'm going to be posting videos daily here. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so we're here looking at coin market cap, and we can see here that Polkadot and Kusama both working together in the Polkadot ecosystem here. We've seen Polkadot go up 14% today, 17% in the last 7 days, and we've seen Kusama go up 33% this week. And we've seen that because we know that there's a catalyst coming. I reviewed it in a video about 6 days ago talking about the Polkadot Decoded main event that's been 2 days. It's between May 17th and May 19th, I think. But if you want, go check out that video that I posted a couple days ago. It goes over more in depth what the presentation is about, and that they're going to be unveiling these parachains, which is the reason why Kusama has been going up so much recently in the last couple days. We'll go over the price action in a bit about where I think that these two coins and tokens are going to be going in the near future here. But we see that DeFi is already going up, and we've seen a lot of projects that focus around DeFi starting to pump. We already seen Ethereum pump, but since it's already starting to stagnate a little bit, we do see these other chains and ecosystems like the Polkadot ecosystem and Kusama that work together start to make big moves to the upside here. And also another topic we're going to talk about here, another coin, is Reef as well. That's starting to make some moves here. But let's get into some news about Kusama here. It says Kusama's price hits new highs as parachains auctions begin to take shape. So the KSM token rallied to new all-time highs as investors rushed into new positions in order to participate in the hype surrounding the upcoming parachain auctions. And so that's important here. The reason also why it started to pump too is because you need to buy these tokens in order to vote on what parachains here. It says many protocol upgrades are one of the most potent sources of price movement for the cryptocurrency project as community members and investors get excited about new features and traders rush in to buy the rumor and sell the news. It says one protocol that has seen its price rise to new all-time highs this week, despite the overall bearish conditions affecting the market, is Kusama, an experimental blockchain platform and a sister chain of the Polkadots platform. Kusama is designed to provide an interoperable and scalable framework for developers. And it says here the most significant development for Kusama of late came in May 12th when the project announced its most recent upgrade proposal was approved by the council and is now in public referendum. This is breaking upgrade version 0.91 passed council and is now a public referendum, fast track to end Friday 12 p.m. This upgrade includes the codes for parachains, auctions, and crowd loans, reduces the minimum investment transfer and 100x, and reduces fees and deposits by 50x. So that was a big development here. It says this development provided token holders a 3-day window between May 12th and May 14th to vote for the different parachains, crowd loans, and auctions that they want to see on the Kusama network. And since the KSM tokens are required to be able to participate in the voting, demand for the token immediately increased the following announcement. And it says here, data from Cointelegraph Marketer Pros began to detect a bullish outlook for KSM on May 11th prior to the recent price rise and before the announced passing of the upgrade. But remember, I made this video on this, I think about May 8th, 6 days ago here. So if you want to stay up to date with the newest crypto news here, make sure you like and subscribe. But we see here Kusama, who works with Polkadot here, is starting to rise, but both of these projects are rising right now. So we see here interoperability integration provides a spark, and where we also see Chainlink here is excited to award a grant for the expansion and improvement of ongoing support of the Chainlink Oracle palette, enabling devs to easily build hybrid smart contracts on the Polkadot and Kusama network chains, the parachains, as well as the Substrate IO chain. So we're seeing all these things starting to pump here. So this is a good time to check the charts here and see where we could see these price targets for Kusama and Polkadot, and also Reef here, which is part of the Polkadot ecosystem. So let's get right in there. So as you can see here in my video on May 8th, I talked about the main catalyst event, which is the Polkadot Decoded event that's happening here. We did see the price action when I was talking about it at around $38 for Polkadot. And let's take a look at the price now. Okay, so this is Dot's price right here. At the time of the recording, right now it's touching $47 here. We did see when I was last talking about it on May 8th, we saw that the price was over here, getting ready to retest this parallel channel that's been going up here. And it did break down from that channel, but we did manage to find nice support here on my support box here. So we just found nice wicks here over the last couple of days, but we did form this W pattern, this double bottom, and we managed to break through the neckline here, which is also the Fibonacci golden ratio here between $40 and also psychological resistance here. So once we made that as support, now we're seeing new all-time highs here for Polkadot here, reaching up the $48 range, which was the all-time high here in April 17th, right here when it all started to come crashing down here with Bitcoin's price plummeting from 65,000 all the way down to 46,000. But since we've seen that nice recovery here, break down from this parallel, from this ascending channel here, make that double bottom, we are now seeing that Polkadot's price is around $47 at the time of this recording. But we do see even more upside to this, especially when DeFi is now booming and the new leg up for our larger cap altcoins to start making some significant gains. We're seeing Polkadot and Kusama start to lead that path right here after Ethereum had its major run up. But we do see nice price targets here in our green. We do see a $54.20 price target, and also for our 1.618 here at $61.69 for Polkadot here in the next coming weeks. We do see that price target ahead, but we have found nice support here at $34 here. If we do come back here, because we are oversold on the RSI, if we do not manage to bounce the year off of this top of the RSI here and stay up here a little bit longer, we could face a retracement here, and we could find ourselves coming back and retesting some critical areas here. Maybe this Fibonacci golden pocket here at around the $40 mark, and also this 0.786 level here at $43. So we could see a confirm retest here of this area, because we found here as resistance here multiple times, as here as support. So we could come back down here, retest as support, and make our next leg up here to these price targets of that $54 and $61.69. So that's what it's looking like for Polkadot. Kusama here, let's take a look at that as well. All right, so for Kusama, we do see here it's coming in at $583 here. It's made a massive move in the last couple of days. Let's measure that move here from let's see here, around the 10th of May when we start seeing that dumping. We have already moved 52%. It was at $389, and then we've made it all the way up here to the all-time high at around right here, $585 or $597. And now it's kind of cooling off a little bit. We did have a nice move towards the upside, breaking through this golden pocket. And let's zoom in a little bit more. All right, so we have been finding a lot of resistance here in this golden pocket area at $466 here, finding as resistance, ultimately broke through it. And then when we did have that dump here over the last couple of days because of Bitcoin's price action, is trying to find its bottom, we did find some huge wicks to the downside, but very bullish wicks here, because we did manage from the price drop, managed to make it back up here, close these 4-hourly candles above this golden pocket support, and make our way back up and finding these fib levels here as support and resistance to make it to our ultimate price target. So I do see Kusama's price target here in the future at $649 at our 1.272 ratio, 1.414 ratio at $690 here, right before that psychological $700 resistance, and our 1.618 Fibonacci retracement level here at $751 here. So this thing still has plenty of room to go here, especially because DeFi is booming and it's part of that Polkadot ecosystem. Both of these coins are going to be bringing themselves up here in the next coming weeks here. So we do see that. We've seen some nice support here from our $300 level that we've been trading in between, coming back up, using this golden pocket as support, which was major resistance over here. Look at all that resistance here, trapping the price here below $450, broken that, use that support to make our next way up here. So that's what it's looking like for Kusama here at the moment. We do see a potential retrace here of that $560 level here. Once we make our way back up, touch the support, we can come back down here, retest this area of resistance here as support, because we're seeing a lot of wicks to the upside here. So we're starting to close some 4-hourly candles above it, but we do need a confirmation 4-hourly candle after this with a long wick here, just touching this bottle and continuing to move towards the upside. But I do see our next price target here at $650 for Kusama in the next coming days to weeks. But now let's also take a look at another project, Reef, that is a part of the Polkadot ecosystem here, that is just starting to make some major gains here. Let's take a look at that right now. All right, so this is Refinance here. For those that don't know what Refinance is, it's here assessing DeFi liquidity across blockchains. So gaining smart DeFi exposure with interoperability across multiple blockchain ecosystems. Reef chain integrates with DeFi from Ethereum, Polkadot, Avalanche, Cosmos, and Binance Smart Chains. So this is here for liquidity reasons. It connects different blockchains together here. So it's powered by the Polkadot ecosystem. So we know that this could also make a huge move to the upside. So why don't we take a look at its price and see where we can see Reef actually going in the near future here. So this is Reef's price. Right now it's at 4 cents. And we've seen this tight trading range here between this golden pocket Fibonacci ratio here of 4 to 5 cents and our lower area here of support, which is another Fibonacci golden ratio here between 3 cents. So it's been trading within this tight range here for the last couple months. So now it's ready to explode. Look at this long, prolonged consolidation phase here after making its huge run up here for sub pennies here, below a penny, all the way up here to 5 cents all-time high. Let's take a look at that run up just real quick here. From here to here. So it did make a 625% move from January 14th all the way here to February 13th. Within a month, it went up 600%. And now after this 2-month consolidation phase, it is looking like it's making its next leg up here from previous lows here at the end of April at around 3 cents, all the way now to touching its all-time highs here, finding resistance here in this area about 5 cents. So this is looking like a great opportunity here in the next coming days to get into Refinance because of its interoperability here with Polkadot and a bunch of other smart chains and blockchains. So we do see its price actually at the moment here. If we zoom in here, we're finding some more resistance of this this golden ratio here, like we found here multiple times. So once we actually break through this area here and start trading within this range, it won't be much longer till we break through that and reach our price targets here that I'm going to talk about in just a second. But let's take a look here on the RSI for the 4-hourly. We are starting to make an uptick here, meaning that we might eventually come up here. We're also in between the RSI here, so we are in an uptrend. We just have to break through this resistance here at the 4 cent mark and to see continual upside here for Reef's price. And let's also look at some moving averages. We do see here that we are being held up by our 200-day moving average right here. We're struggling to find support here on our 4-hour 21 EMA and 50 EMA. But let's take a look at a longer time frame here on the daily, and we are also right here trying to find some support here on our 21 moving average here as well. But the main area to focus on here is to be looking at this resistance right here at that 4 cent and 4.043 cent mark here that we're trying to struggle to stay above. But as of right now, it is still looking bullish here for Reef. We are just trading within this area of 4 and 3 cents, but I do see the price target here from our Fibonacci retracement levels of the all-time high back in February at 5 cents, down here to our low here at around 2 cents. We do see price targets for 6 cents, 0.066 cents, and 0.0727 cents here. So whoa, let's measure that move here real quick from the price right now all the way to our first price target would be a 40% move, then our 48% move, and our 60% move to the upside here for Reef. And also you have to notice that Reef is a small market cap. So the more money and the more liquidity that is put into this coin, the easier it is for it to move up. Way easier than actually Polkadot and Kusama right now because they're such larger caps. There's more money into it. Let's actually look at their market caps right now. We see Reef actually at a market cap of $500 million. So not even $1 billion yet. It's still a small cap. We have a fully diluted market cap of $865 million, but still not hitting that billion yet, and we have a lot of volume right here. It's going up over the past 24 hours. We have $230 million worth of volume right here. So this could be a great opportunity here for investing in the Polkadot ecosystem and DeFi, because Reef is part of that and it's connecting blockchains together, and it is looking like it's ready for a major move after just months and months of consolidation here to make its next leg up. We're seeing a lot of resistance here at the 5 cent mark, but once it breaks that, I see it hitting 6 and 7 cents in no time here. But that is it for this video. If you enjoyed this content, make sure to hit a like and subscribe. But other than that, peace out.